Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily close background apps on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. And while you're using your iPhone, you can open up any different apps, and then you can just swipe up from the bottom of the screen to hop out that apps. But as for now, the Instagram app is running in the background. And now let me show you how you can easily close background apps. So all you have to do is just swipe up from the bottom of the screen. You should swipe up and then swipe right. So you have to move like that, in that way. Swipe up and then right. And that shows you all the apps that are currently running in the background. You can easily swipe between them in any time. You can, by hitting on that app, open it up and then just start working with that app. Once you finished with that app, you can, moving your finger just like that, move on to that tabs kind of selector, and then you can close any app. Let's say I want to close Instagram. All I have to do in that case is just swipe up to remove Instagram tab from that apps selector. So in that way I can close any apps in the background. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.